Am I the asshole for telling my daughter that my marriage comes first? My 16-year-old daughter has been acting really cold towards her stepmother. We've been married for 2 years. I sat down with her to get her to understand that her stepmother is very important to me and that she needs to at least be polite. She complained that she was as nice as she can be, and then she asked me why I care more about my wife's feeling than my own daughter's. I straight up told her that at the end of the day, she's my wife. She's gonna leave my house one day, but my wife will stay by my side. In order to maintain this family, the marriage will always come first. She got upset and then started asking hypotheticals. She asked me, what if she hates me being around and wants you to reduce custody? I responded, I doubt that would happen. If it ever did happen, I would discuss it with her. I would bring up that you're my daughter and that I love you. I would definitely want to know why she feels that way about you. She ran off crying and told me that she wants to move in with her mom. So, am I a bad dad?